Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 2010 Range Rover Sport and how to change the thermostat. So if your Land Rover or Range Rover vehicle is overheating, the thermostat might be the issue. So without wasting any time, I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can quickly and easily change it. I've already removed the top plastic engine cover, and now we're going to remove this plastic housing right in front. And to do that, you're going to grab a straight screwdriver and loosen these clamps. One there, one here, one right down there. And then you're going to go back here. So we're going to follow this pipe, and right back here is the pipe we're going to remove. It's right here, and to remove it, you're going to just push the ring in and pull it out. So once I have this removed and all three clamps opened, you're going to be able to pull the plastic housing and remove it out of the way. Now with the housing out of the way, to make a little bit of more space, I'm going to remove this pipe, and to do that you just loosen up this clamp and it's going to pull right out. So to make even more space, I'm going to remove this plastic fan cover assembly right here, and to do that we're going to remove the hose out of the way. And there's also a wiring loop right here, and to remove it, it's a pin, we're going to just pull it right up. Here's the piping going to our thermostat assembly. We're going to be removing 1, 2, 3, and 4 clamps. We're going to be using a regular plier, squeezing the clamp and pulling the pipe out. And then for the big lower hose, there's a pin. We're going to use a straight screwdriver and pull it right out. Before removing the thermostat, there's one T30 bolt that we're going to be removing. So I've gotten all the hoses disconnected, and now I'm going to wiggle out the thermostat assembly. So if your new thermostat assembly does not come with this adapter, you're going to have to remove it from your old one, which I've done. And before reinstalling the thermostat, I'm going to reinstall the pin into place. I have the pin installed, and now we're going to reinstall the new thermostat assembly back into place in the reverse steps. It's pretty simple. You're going to connect the hoses and clamp them down. The new thermostat housing is completely installed, and now I'm going to reinstall the remaining stuff. One is the fan plastic cover, and then the plastic housing on top that goes to the intakes. So there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to change the thermostat on the Range Rover Sport. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit the like and subscribe button. And if you guys are also looking for a thermostat for your Range Rover or your Land Rover vehicle, I'll have it listed down below in my description box, so please check it out, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.